What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite on your PC or on your laptop. Also I show you how to download Epic Games on your PC and how to create your account on Epic Games. Also support me in item shop UFO187, use my sats. Tomorrow is new Fortnite season. Support my sats when you purchase your battle pass tomorrow. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do, just open your web browser and type on Google Epic Games download. And you will see here download Epic Games. I leave you this website in the description of video, and you will see here download Epic Games launcher. Click this, save installation. When you download Epic Games on your PC, open your installation and go run. A new window will open. You will see Epic Games launcher setup. You can also change here where you want to install your Epic Games, or just click install like me and wait for installation process. When you install Epic Games like me, you will see this window. You need to sign in or sign up. Easiest way is just with Google or just Facebook. Click this, a new window will open in your web browser and you will see message, go here, continue. Choose your Google account. When you create your Epic Games account like me, you will just see in right corner your account is there. All what you need to do to play Fortnite is go to store and type here in search store Fortnite. And you will see Fortnite game, click on it, claim game in your library, click on Fortnite install, check auto update and create shortcut and click install and wait for download process. Just wait this and I show you next step. When you install guys Fortnite like me, you will see here you have no task and Fortnite icon will be available on your desktop. I just opened Fortnite to see that all works correctly. Okay guys, I'm now in Fortnite. If you see all works correctly, support me also in item shop tomorrow for buying your new battle pass. And that's it guys for this video. Click play and enjoy your Fortnite. And if you see guys I'm in game, all works correctly. And that's it for this guide. If this helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you next video. Bye guys.